Are the writings of the prophets to be received as the words of God himself?
Now these be the last words of David. David, the son of Jesse, said, and the man who was raised up on high, the anointed of the God of Jacob, and the sweet psalmist of Israel, said, the Spirit of the Lord spake by me, and his word was in my tongue. For this cause also thank we God without ceasing, because when you received the word of God, which ye heard of us, ye received it not as the word of men, but as it is in truth, the word of God, which effectually worketh also in you that believe.
The writings of the prophets are to be received as the words of God, not because of the great words they spoke, but because the Lord gave them the words to speak. He put his word into their mouths. Think of when someone speaks through a microphone connected to a sound system to amplify their voice in a room so everyone can hear. How silly would it be to walk up and start praising the microphone for the words it spoke to you after someone gives a speech? How silly would it be to repeat this to other people? No one in their right mind praises the microphone for speaking to them. They praise the speaker.